Welcome to Blue Mountain Village, your premier ski resort in Ontario, Canada. Today's featured ski run is Cruiser. It is considered a blue run for intermediate skiers. Here's a map of Blue Mountain, and it shows you all the chairlifts and all the ski runs. Now we are going to shrink the map and show you where our featured ski run, Cruiser, is located. Now if you are an intermediate skier, I think this is one of the best intermediate hills at Blue Mountain. As you can see, I have circled Southern Comfort Express Chairlift, and right beside that is the South Base Lodge. Now if you're coming on a bus, I've circled the bus parking lot just across the street. Now I'm just going to go over a little bit of information now. So this run is called Cruiser. The chairlift is Southern Comfort Express, which is a 6-man express lift. The difficult rating is blue, which means intermediate. The length of the run is 670 meters. It's a fairly long run for Blue Mountain, and the grade is minus 23 down. When you get to the top of the chairlift, you are going to go right. Here we are on the hill. There is Southern Comfort Express, a 6-person express chairlift. Right behind me would be South Base Lodge, and to my right across the street, you can't see it, would be the bus drop off. So if you're getting off a bus, this is probably going to be the first chairlift you're going to see. Southern Comfort is a 6-person chairlift, but because of social distancing, fewer people are allowed on the chairlift. Looks like a beautiful day. Blue Mountain nicely groomed. Temperature's about -5. We got a bit of wind today, but as we go up the chairlift here, on the left is Sunrise, and on the right is Cruiser. Both are blue intermediate hills. Now, more people tend to be on the right side, the Cruiser side, than the left side, which is Sunrise. And that's why I prefer Sunrise. This is probably one of the first runs of the day. This is pretty early in the morning. And like I said, beautifully groomed. It looks great. Perfect conditions for the day. Sun is out. Now as I turn around here, you can see Blue Mountain Village just off to the left, and past that you see a big body of water. That is Georgian Bay, and you can tell from the sky, it is a pretty clear day today. Sun is out, it's beautiful. We're gonna sit back and enjoy the chairlift. On the top right, you can see the sign for Cruiser. So when you get off the chairlift, you will go right. If you're looking for a photo op, there's the big chair. And if you're looking for something sweet, there's the beaver tails. Just give you a little view from the top here. Beautiful day. Here we go. There is Bear Trail Glades. That's a double black diamond if you're up for it. Going left would take you into the village. For cruiser, stay right. Going right would take you down Sunrise, down to the same chairlift, Southern Comfort. We are gonna go left, down Cruiser. Here we go. Wow, I must say that is a pretty nice view, Blue Mountain, coming over the lip of this hill. There it is, Cruiser. A beautiful run on a beautiful morning at Blue Mountain. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you on the slopes.